Did you feel that LA just got a major wake-up call? A 4.4 magnitude earthquake shook Los Angeles today, and it was felt all across the city. People in Santa Monica, DTLA, and even as far as Pasadena reported the tremor. No major damage reported yet, but hey, it was enough to get everyone talking. So what does a 4.4 magnitude mean? Think of it like a strong jolt enough to rattle your dishes, but not quite enough to knock them off the shelf. Experts say it's a good reminder to check your emergency kits. Always be prepared, right? If you felt it, drop a comment below. And remember, stay safe out there, Louisiana. Subscribe for more updates and hit that like button if you love living in this crazy, beautiful city. Until next time, stay cool, Louisiana.